Hello YouTube, so this is part 2 of the unboxing that I didn't finish last week of the 2 pieces I got for this season's sale. It was the acronym NG4 PS that I showed you last week, and now we're going to take a look at an insulator I bought from BSTN in Germany. ASMR unboxing. Feed, fam, fuck fame. Right, thank you. It is Taion inner downwear. To be honest, I did not know Taion before I bought this, but apparently it's a Japanese down brand. Let's look at the labels. Taion means body temperature. Our mission is to innovate and create both high design and high functional products. Attention! Due to the characteristics of feathers and to maintain the puffiness, we unfurl for storage for breathability. If for some reason the feathers come out of the seams, please do not pull it out. Gently push it back in. Okay. Tionwear.jp. Okay, cool. But this is also a collaboration with Beams Lights. You don't know what Beams Lights is actually. Beams has so many different brands. I don't know that much about Beams. I mean, I've had a few Beams things. I know they do a lot of collaborations. So I don't usually buy down, not really for some reason. I just don't necessarily like the feathers that come out. Look, there's a piece of down attached to, I guess, demonstrate what's inside. White duck down. Is. So this is not a vegan jacket, people. So there's a cool bag attached. Oh, so I guess you can roll it up and put it in this bag, which is nice. Really super light and packable, I see. I didn't really realize that, but do now. So how's this? How do I open this without? Okay, so there's like a thing. So there's like a thing attached to the jacket in a way that it's a bit hard to. I don't know if you can see. To open this without like potentially damaging the jacket, so that's a bit weird. I try to do this patiently and not damage the jacket and then be really angry. Success. Okay, cool bag. Taion. Oh, I mean, Beams Lights. Taion. I will probably use that. So actually I saw the black version of this jacket on Vinted, which someone was trying to sell, and then I so very stupidly looked it up on Google and arrived on the BSTN site where I saw that the white version, which I thought looked much nicer, was actually on sale. And then, I mean, it was already on sale, and then there was like an extra sale you could add, so yeah, which made it actually cheaper than the used one that was being sold on Vinted. So that was a great way to convince myself this was it. I had to get this. So I actually really like the classic Chinese button style with a more modern jacket. It's also like two-sided. I mean like reversible. Okay. It's like a creamy white color. I already really like how it looks. Fabric feels very soft, the outer and inner fabric. Let's say what that is. Color is off-white and sage. Perfect. Two of my favorite colors. So the shell is nylon, the inside is, the padding is down and feather. Okay. And the liner is also nylon. So it's nylon, but feels like a very densely woven nylon. Maybe even windstopper like. So I got the size. I do think I will probably mostly wear it like this because I really like this white outside. I think it looks really nice. Actually, it's a pretty good jacket. See how it looks if you only close the buttons. If you only close the buttons like this. Pretty cool. Also looks a bit like a gambeson, like a medieval, jacket. Kind of looks like a jacket that Short Round is wearing in Indiana Jones. Yeah, I think I like it. I think it looks good on me. I think the size is actually perfect. How the shoulders fall. Has very wide neck. Yeah, this is great. And it's really soft, so I actually think this will also be a great just garment to wear like inside as a... I actually have that with a lot of insulators I have. Like the, I mean, J58 is really like a jacket. Well, it really looks like a jacket, so that's not something that I would wear in the house, wear around the house or inside anywhere very quickly, I think. I think if I would wear that inside somewhere, there will be this smartass who would say, like, why are you wearing a jacket inside? But I think something like this is actually, I think looks casual enough to wear like a sweater, right? So yeah, I actually think I will get, that way we'll get quite some wear out of this. Construction looks really good, no loose threads or anything. Quality feels really good. So it has a two-way reversible zipper, obviously. Okay, so this is a bit of a thing with the extra buttons. So this is how it looks with just the zipper and the buttons open, and then you can unzip the bottom. Can you? Can you? So it can be unzipped from the bottom. Always a feature that I like very much, especially if you're sitting down or if you're on a bike, because then it doesn't, you know, scrunch up at the bottom. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Nothing on the back, very clean. The bottom is straight. The cuffs are cinched. There's an elastic cuff, but it's not too tight, as you can see. But the bottom does not have any elastic, and there's like no collar, which I think is a nice look. So then, for the other side. Okay, so this really does not look, or does it? Does it look bad with this? What do you think about these colors together? Is it bad? Let me know. So the other side is more like a jacket, like a bomber. You cannot see the lines of the padding. It is a very nice color though. It's actually like, looks very much like the acronym Alpha Green color. Oh wait, if you kind of do see lines through it a little bit. Do I like this? It's alright. It's not bad. So it fits very well inside. 2-in-1. Ooh, it's very cozy, but also very thin. I like that. I actually really like that, because down always kind of reminds me of, like, in the 90s we used to have, well, people still have them, but I used to have puffer jackets in the 90s because I thought it was cool back then. I had like these Karl Kani or Fila 90s puffer jackets. I was a teen in the 90s, don't forget that I'm actually really old. So yeah, that's what my reference is of down jackets, and they were always so big and puffy, and I don't really like that look anymore. I especially really don't like the whole Moncler look that so many people enjoy nowadays, which to me just really looks like you're wearing a sleeping bag, because you kind of are, because they started making sleeping bags. I don't know why. If the panels are horizontal, it just looks like a sleeping bag to me. I don't know. I really don't like that. So I don't think you will ever see me in a Moncler kind of jacket thing. But this kind of has a different vibe, you know? Obviously, because the jacket is reversible, there is no label in the neck, which is good. Don't exactly know what this hole is meant for though, except for maybe just hanging it up, even though, I mean, it's like semi-reinforced, but I don't think I would want to hang my jacket up on this, would I? I don't know. This seems like a fragile piece of the jacket that might rip or something if you hang it on there, even though it's really quite light. I hope you understand what I mean. Like, the fact that these panels are vertically just has a completely different vibe than the puffer jackets thing, right? Or am I just bullshitting? I really like this. I like it. It's not super warm. Like when I was trying on my NG4 and putting on my J58 and like a gore-tex jacket in this room, it was instantly getting hot. And now I'm moving and doing stuff in this jacket, but it actually feels nice and cozy, but it also feels quite breathable. I don't feel like I'm getting hot already. Is it very warm then? I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to find out, but I'm quite sure I'm keeping this. because I like it. Let me know what you think. Do you like it too? Are you familiar with Taion, the brand? Do you know anything else about them that is worth knowing? Please enlighten us in the comments below. And thanks for watching again. If there are any specific items that you know that I have because you've seen me wear it on Instagram, or I have mentioned in the past to make a video about it, but then I didn't, please do let me know in the comments what you would like to see, or certain topics you would like me to discuss. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.